subscribers, it's me, just so you know, and this is part 3 of Fidget toys here. This is the battle one. This one was £4. Okay, that was my first fidget spinner, and I'm going to show you on this YouTube channel here. Okay, just so you know, guys, you guys are the best subscribers ever, and this one was £8 at the Blackpool market place. Very good. These ones, I have to find the other one to go with it, but I'll show you a different one while I look for that. So this one was $3.99. It's got like buttons on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 buttons on it. It's got the light switch, the spinner, the volume buttons, the roller pad, the light switch, a fidget ball, $5.99. Got that one at Blackpool. Got this one for £5. It's a pink fidget spinner. Got this one for £2. It's really good for fidget spinner. This one, £2. Okay, and I'll show you one more fidget spinner before I end this video. Okay, the last one is the Winnie the Pooh one. This one was £10 to buy. Okay, here it is. Bye.